guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working with checking with another one. Right here is a 2020 Dodge Journey. 2020 Dodge Journey. Show you guys how to take off this trim panel, that handle, and that mirror. We're gonna start with the trim panel first. With the flathead screwdriver, there's a piece right in between the middle of here. Go in and take it out. That piece, take that piece out. There's a screw right there, guys. That's a T30 screw. Right there, T30. You're gonna hold the handle back, just like that. There's a piece right here, you're gonna take it out as well. That's what that piece looks like. Go ahead and take it out. In there, guys, it is a number 10 and a number Phillips. That's it, number 10 screw right there, number 10. The Phillips is there. Okay? Take that out. Get your T30, start tip, T30. Take it out. That's it. Take that screw out. Use the flathead. We're going to take this piece out of here. The switch for the mirror, the glass. Just like that. Take it out. Comes right out. Comes right out, guys. Take it out. Unplug it. That's a switch for the glass. Take it out. Now, use your flathead. That same flathead, guys. Stuck it right between the groove right there. Pry it out a little bit. Then put your hands between it and pull it out. Just like that. Pull it out. Now you want to go up with it now. Up. Comes right out. I want to take that piece out of there. It's loose already. Take out the lock and unplug it from here. Unplug it from there. It comes right out. That's how you take off the trim panel, guys. That's how you take it off. It comes right off. Now we're going to take off that mirror. We're going to take out that mirror, guys. Let's take this piece off first. You see these tools clip? Take these clips out. Take it out. Take that piece out. Okay, you see this? I'll snap it out of there. Unplug it from there. Comes out. This rubber right here, guys, set back that rubber just like that. There's a screw back there. Number 8. 1, 2, 3. You gotta take those 3 screws out to get that mirror from out of there. 1, 2. Hold it. Take it out. Comes out. That's how you take it out. Now we're going to take out the handle, but first we're going to put the glass back up. Go ahead and plug in back the switch that we took out earlier. Plug it in. We're going to turn on the vehicle and put the glass up. Alright, the car is turned on, put the glass up. Move that plastic piece from there. Alright, inside there is clear, guys. Y'all see that black piece? It goes right there. Take that black piece from there. There's a screw right there, guys. It's a screw. It's a T20, guys. It's a T20 star tip. Star tip. You're going to turn that screw to the left. Okay, now take your flathead screwdriver and stuck it right there in the middle. Comes right out. Okay? Then you grab the handle and put it backwards. Alright, this one has a plug on it. Open up this. And go ahead and unplug it. Just like that, see? This is the wire for it, guys. You push that piece down and pull this piece out. That's how you take it out. Just like that. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to put back this handle inside the door. Okay guys, this is how you put back the handle inside this door. Get yourself a piece of welding wire, just like that, and hold it with the pliers. Or you could get yourself a piece of string. But it had to be sturdy, okay? Got to be sturdy. Now, there is a piece right there that sits right between the groove right here, guys. It sits right between the groove. You're gonna loop it, and you're gonna loop it just like that. You're gonna grab it and put it forward. Just like that, see? You're gonna put it forward until it stays like that. You're gonna put the handle inside of there. Just like that, hold it, slide it out. Just like that. Snap it in. Snaps right in. Now see, it's in now. It's in. Okay, now. You're gonna put this handle back inside of there and turn the screw. You're gonna turn the screw and then this piece will slide in by itself. Because you see this rod right here? That rod's gonna slide in along with the handle, okay? It's in. Put this in just like that. Let me show you. It's going to slide right back in. Going to turn it to the right. Watch. Hold it. See? It snaps back in. Now, to take it out, turn it to the left, all the way back. Turn it back to the left. Take it out. That's how you do it. That's how you put it in. That's how you take it out. This piece right here, guys. Get your get the 10 and put the 10 back and hold it up. Alright guys, that's how you do that. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for rocking with me. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next video.